walk around on my old Chevy grain truck I bought at a farm sale. She was ready for the salvage yard. Engine was blown. Brought her home, put another engine in it, tuned it up, threw a coat of wax on the old heifer. I think the old sow is about ready for the grain field. Another project completed. Needs a set of mufflers, something awful. But I guess it don't bother me or the coyotes. Box needs a tiny bit of attention, not much. Hoist works great. Auxiliary brakes work great. Gears, rear end, everything works as advertised. Kind of damn proud of the old sister. Sat there and idled. Runs like sweet down the road. 2-speed on the rear end works. The whole 9 yards. It was bought in Texas, sold new in Texas, and went to live in Arkansas up until 1999. From there it was sold to somebody in Arizona. And 9 years ago it came up here to Nebraska, where it sat at the end of it. They used it for a number of years, and it was set at the end of the grain field, and I kept looking at that thing for years and years. Anyway, it came up on farm sale here a couple of weeks ago, and I went over and looked at it. It's got new tires on the rear end, and I thought, son of a gun, I can throw an engine in that thing. Nothing to her.